Well, we're back in Steve's kitchen where cooking lean is supreme. And we're going to find ourselves some buns or bread here. I recommend getting yourself some really nice like Tolera rolls. Or this is Italian bread right here, which is really good too. And cutting yourself off a couple of heaping slices. And that's what I'm going to do here right now. And then we're going to taste our wonderful turkey SpaghettiOs that have been cooking all day. Isn't this wonderful? Look at how nice this Italian bread is here. It's just amazing. I'm going to put this out of view. And so we've got something to work with here. And we'll just set that aside. Kind of squeeze out all the air here, suck out the rest. And I see we've been bubbling here for a while here, trying to increase the overall heat and flavor of our dish. We're going to check on it right now. And I think we can stir it and go here. So we are going to just take and spoon up some of our homemade SpaghettiOs. When you see this, you won't believe it because it's almost like a stew with SpaghettiOs in with it. And so me, I like lots of ingredients. And so what we're going to do, we're going to clean up our plate with my thingy there, that little drop. And we're going to give this a taste here. And the thing is, if you like, you could keep some cracked black pepper, or I've got peppercorn pepper here, and some sea salt or kosher salt handy. I like to taste everything first because most items really don't need a lot of spice to it. And you turn this off and you're ready to serve it up if you have any guests or family or friends, or you just let it cool off and put it into containers and put it in your fridge for later. But I'm letting this just cool a moment here, trying to pass just a short moment of time here, so that I don't burn my tongue, giving this a taste. It looks really good. I particularly like the way the celery looks in here and the tomatoes. It looks really wonderful. I'm going to take some off the edge here. Whoop. This is so clean. The beauty of this dish is it's just so clean flavored. It really doesn't need anything, but some people might want just a little hint of cracked pepper or sea salt, and that's perfectly fine. If you like more of an adult or more of just a little bit of a hint of strong sweetness, I guess I'd describe it, and you could have cooked this with green pepper, as I mentioned before, but I've got this straight up celery onion, so this is very child friendly. But I just tasted this, as you saw, and oh, it's just fabulous, and I highly recommend, if you like, the memory of SpaghettiOs. They came out in the 60s when I was really little. I think it was like 1964 or something it was popularized. And they were rather bland, but it was something you could get kids to eat. And this is like the reverse. It's just like a ton of flavor, but it's got that little hint with the O's, of childhood memory there, And so it's kind of a nice thing. I hope you'll taste it and give it a real thumbs up, because this is a real wonderful dish to cook. And I'm going to give this a little tip here. I'm hoping that you can see this well. And I'm also going to try to hone in on this with the camera. So there you have it, our homemade turkey spaghetti-o dinner, and it's just wonderful. The stew or soup, I call it my homemade turkey spaghetti-os. You can call it whatever you want. I don't care, as long as you cook it, try it, taste it, and enjoy it. So until next time, this is Mr. Weight Loss himself, Steve Edwards, and we're here in Steve's kitchen, and I bid you bye-bye from my kitchen where cooking lean is supreme. And so please give me the thumbs up and check the little bell if you're seeing me on YouTube so that you can see further videos. Otherwise, if you're seeing me on cable access, great. I invite you to tune in at the same time the next day or next week, however they have it scheduled. You have to check your local cable access schedule. But until the next time, keep in mind Steve's Kitchen, where cooking lean is supreme. You have a great day.